Hello everyone. I am popping on here because in between, anyway, you're going to probably see me on Saturdays a little bit more here in the group, and that is because it's my work day now. I am not able to do a whole lot during the week because Jonathan is in online school. Yay! Hopefully it only lasts the 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I am live here this afternoon, kind of unexpectedly. And I wanted to pop on because I have something that I'm going to announce, and I wanted to show you this new promotion that we have. I gave you a sneak peek of this album a while ago. It was like a picture like this. And I can finally tell you all about it. I had so much fun putting this together. I am not, I have done some mini albums over the years, and I've been very happy with the results, but I do not always think to do those. Hello, Gail. Good to have you here. So this is a really cool project, and it's super easy to put together. This is done in our cut above style, and I'm going to show you what it is first before I give you the information. Okay. So this is our true story promotion, and it is for National Scrapbooking Month, which is January. And so this is available for a little while. You'll see it in the new catalog, the January-February catalog. It is available while supplies last. And this little album is so much fun. I can't wait to get my pictures on it. So here's the first page, and this is the cover, and then we get into this fun little page. So the idea is that there is lots of interaction, lots of pockets, okay, lots of flip-flaps, and more pockets and things. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm off the screen there a little bit. Lots of little things here, and everything here is all provided in your kit other than your adhesive. And I don't know if you've been around for a while, you've seen these acrylic pages before. They're back, and we have the see-through page. And then there is this pocket here, and it's meant to be attached once you get your photo in there. So it's kind of just a popped up. I've put some foam tape there, so adhesive and foam tape. That's pretty much all you need. Maybe a glue pen or that kind of a thing. But here is one of our first really interactive page. So it flips up. It flips open. So you can put some hidden journaling in there. This is, again, something that you're going to put a photo in. There are flip-flaps in here. If you want to protect the photos, you can put them. You wouldn't have to put a flip-flap there if you didn't want to. But this whole thing flips open. Oh dear, I'm off already. So look at that. It just keeps going and going. So another spot there. There's another spot here. And then this folds back up. I mean, like, isn't this so cute? I love the little rainbows. Then we're back to this page. And here is another clear page. And I just love this. These little, sweet little photos. These are perfect for, like, Instagram pictures that you've taken one day at a time. And flipping up, lots of little spots for journaling. And here's another one. This is a whole pocket that you can you could decorate that up if you wanted to. I really love this page. It's so fun. So this makes my heart happy. This part here, other than the heart, is all pre-printed. And you flip it over, snippets of everyday life. And so then you attach those hearts. And here we have another flip-flap. Captured moments. And then we're going to flip the page, and again we have a page that looks like this. So again, this flips up, this opens up. This is another one where you could, once you get your photo in, you would attach that down. I'm going to close that up. This flips up. I forgot to show you that on the other page. And this opens and flips up. So you could do all kinds of stuff with this book. Look on the bright side. I love that. This is a waterfall. Isn't that fun? So each one has a spot for a picture. And each one of those are flip-flaps. So as you flip them down, you can put information there. Or you can just glue them on. It's entirely up to you. The flip-flaps are included. And here we have 2 4x6 spots, 2 more. Here's another flip flap to put maybe your typical schedule or that kind of a thing. And then we have another one of these interactive, slightly different, not as many flaps. But there you go. And then this is all pockets. All pockets. So you can slide out stuff, and then there's a big one at the top there, or I think they're all about the same size. And then there's this page, which again, these are flip flaps. And inside each of these is a little journaling spot, or a spot for more pictures if you wanted to. They pop right out. And then we have our last page, keeping it real. Again, with a flip flop. You can put journaling under there. You can do whatever you want. And then we have the back cover. So this is our True Story album. Now, I want to show you the flyer because I want to show you what all comes in this kit. So as you can see, you've got rings, these are all the flip flaps and white base pages. You have a few of the 6x8 album pages. All of these are base pages. All of these sheets are all die cuts. There's the flip flaps, and then there are some more really fun, what do they call them? They're paper board, so they're thicker than cardstock, but not as thick as chipboard. And those are laser cut, so they come out like a dream. So there's two options. You can either get this just the way I have it here and use the rings, and that's for the $67.50, or you can pop, you can get it with the Everyday Life album that it will fit in beautifully. And that one is at a discounted price of $89.25. So here's what I'm going to do. So in the, oh my goodness, I can't remember the date. I think it's the first Saturday in February. I'm going to hold a live, first or second? No, first one for sure. First Saturday in February, I'm going to hold a live workshop for putting this together. It will take a few hours, but we're going to do that together. And as long as you order it ahead of time, you will have it in your hand and we can create it together. And I can walk you through how to do that. But as you can see, it's actually a whole lot simpler than you think it is. It looks so complicated, but like, for example, once you figure out how to put this page together, you know how to put this page together and this page together. And it's pretty straightforward. When I did it for Business Builders, which was an event that I participated in online. And we were able to put it together very quickly, and as we were watching and talking. And so, Gail, I know you're going to love this. Hi, Susan. Good to see you, sort of. So anyway, you'll want to place your order in plenty of time to get it before the first week of February. And that will give you lots of time to take a look at it. And I will be setting up some information and some tips in a Facebook group. So same as I've always done my other workshops, we'll do an exclusive Facebook group. When you purchase this kit and you want to participate, you'll need to let me know, because I won't know just automatically. And then just let me know, send me a message, or I might even contact you if I see it in your order. Here's the other cool thing. If you live close to me, I now qualify because, I got a promotion, right? So I qualify for free in-house rush. So if you want it faster, order it through me directly. So not just my website. You have to talk to me and I'll put the order through for you, because I'm the one that gets the rush. And I can do a group order, and then we can put it all together, and then I can, so that's one way you can get it a little bit faster if you want. I'm super excited to share this with you and do it together with you. So the first Saturday in February. So get your order in. I will pop a link to this product in the comments when I'm done. And hopefully we'll have lots of fun making it together. And I'll try and get you as prepared as I can. All right. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Stay warm. It's kind of chilly out there today. So I'll see you later. Bye.